This conference will now be recorded.
Yes. Now, all of you, we are going to create a program about which one? About COVID-19 data, guys. About COVID-19 data. COVID-19, you can say that latest statistics, guys. Statistics. Okay, statistics, guys. Latest stats. Latest stats, guys. That's all. We're going to create a Python program to get COVID-19 latest stats. Nothing but statistics. Okay, right. So to work with this program, we must take one. We must take one API. API. So this is the API, guys. Here we have all latest data is there. It's the API about COVID-19 latest stats, and here we have the data, right? So in this one, so first one, what is there? So actually the main one data. In the data, first key is the summary, second key is the unofficial summary, third key is the regional, right? Regional. In that regional, we have the all states, guys. First Andaman Nicobar Islands, next AP, then right Arunachal Pradesh, like that all states are there. All states are there. Okay, states are there. So that's first one, right? First one is the summary, second one is the unofficial summary, third one is the regional. From there, we get all the states one by one. All the states one by one, guys. Okay. So what's the API here? This one. This is the API that we use in our program. Okay. Right. Now I'll open our Python file. I'm going to write a program, guys. I'm going to make one program. So here we use one module called request module, guys. What's the module name? Request module. Request, right? Now I'm taking here import, right? Import request, guys. Okay, import request, right? I'm taking now. Suppose so request data, right? Request data get off. I want to get the data, right? From where? From this one. I want to get the data. So I am taking this one here in the string format, guys. All of you observe here. All of you observe it. This which format data? This is the JSON format data, guys. Which format? JSON into one variable. That variable name will take the data. What's variable name? I'm taking the data, guys. I'm taking the data. Okay. So in this API, actually what I want actually here, we want about all the states. Means what's the key here? I want the regional. I want which one? Regional. So regional part of which one? Regional is the part of which one? Part of the data, right? Part of the data. Regional is the part of the data. Okay, part of the data. And actually the completing also data, guys. Actually if you observe, so completely it's all about data. In that one again data is there. In that one I want to go with which one? Regional. Okay, I don't want currently the summary and also unofficial, guys. Unofficial. I want data going where? Regional, right? Regional. So for that one now all of you observe here. I'll take here simply what's the name? I have taken variable name, right? Data. Okay, data. Now data, right? All of you observe, or else but I'm taking the name here data, right? So here data is there. Else what's the name here? Data. Okay. So I'm taking this data of the data, guys. Okay. All of you observe here. All of you observe, right? Observe here. So what is this data? See, this is a variable, guys, right? Variable means this object means which one is all API. In that API, what I'm taking now, I'm going to the data. Which data? This data. In the data also, what I want now, I want regional, right? I want regional. That's why what do I do here? I'm taking now which one? Regional, guys. Okay, I'm taking the regional. Okay, in the regional, how many are there? This is the one, this is the two, This is the 3. I want the total number of states and islands, right? So to get the total number, then simply what do? I can use the length, right? I can use the length, guys. Length. So I can use here the variable name length. That's all. All of you now are clear about these two lines? Let me know once, please. All of you, let me know once. Are clear about these two lines? These two objects. The data object, what do we have? The length object, what do we have? All of you, let me know, please. If you are clear, I go for the next line, guys. I go for the next line. So why I have taken the length means I want to go state by state, right? I want to go every state. That's why I have taken the length, right? Length. Now, so we'll take here for I in range of length, guys. Range of length. Range of length. So tell me now here. Now what is this range values? That depends upon the number of states and islands, right? So here this is the one, the second one, then third one, right? Third one, next which one now? Fourth one, right? Fifth one, like this. Okay. Yes. Now all of you observe here. Now in the what is the first I value? What's the first I value here? Now for first time I value, which state will come? Tell me now. All of you, first time I value, and which state will come? First time I value, which state will come now? All of three, which one? Right. First time, what's I value? Andaman, guys. Second time I value which one? AP. Third time I value which one? Arunachal Pradesh. Like that, I'm taking one by one. I am taking one by one. Guys. Okay, one by one I'm taking. Now, first time, right? Andaman and Nicobar, right? So, guys, observe here. Now, all of observe here. I'm taking now data. All of observe now. What is this data? This is the variable, guys. This variable. The data of I'm taking again data here. What is this data? This is the which one? I'm going to this data. In that again which one here? Which one? Regional. Always you go like this. Data regional, like this. Regional. Now I am taking here. I am taking now which one? Right, regional. All of you, if I make any spelling, let me know. Okay, regional. Now the regional, what's the I value now? This is the I value, right? This is the I value, guys. This is the I value. Now I am taking the I. Now what is the I first time? I means this Andaman, right? Andaman, guys. I. From there, first I want only state name. Means this name. So I take the which one? LOC. I'll take here now. I'll take here LOC. Now all of you observe here LOC. That's all. Now this one I am going to print here. I am going to print here. I am going to print here. Now all of you, now up to now execute, guys. Now up to execute. If I execute now, tell me now what will display the output. Tell me now. If I execute this one in the output now, what will display? Tell me now. If I execute this one in the output now, what will display? What will display? Means every location name, right? Every location name, guys. Means all state names and okay, island names, right? Let me check once, guys. Let me check once. Let me check once. All of you, let me check once. Yes. Now all of you can observe here. All locations came. All right. First time I value LOC. In the first LOC came. Second time I LOC. Third time I LOC, right? LOC. Okay. All states name came, right? So actually, what do we have? We have the location. All observe now. First, what is the location is there? Then what second one? Confirmed cases in India. Next, confirmed cases in foreign, and right, discharged. How many discharged? How many deaths are there? And total confirmed cases, guys. Total confirmed cases. Like that, this same the 6 key values repeated for all the states, guys. For all the states and islands. All of right. What's first one here? First one location. Second one confirmed cases. Means only Indians, right? Indians. And from foreign, how many cases came here, right? How many discharged, how many deaths are there, and total confirmed cases. The same thing repeat in all the states, right? In all the states, guys. Now what I want here, I want display state by state. So I want display state by state, guys. State by state. Okay. So first of all state names came, right? All state names came. Okay. So all of you, I'll do one more thing, guys, here, just to get the more confirmation. I am commenting this one, okay? Comment this one. I am going back here. First of all, I print to data here. All of you, I'm printing data. Some are getting the doubt, sir, the data, what is there, sir? I'm printing data. Okay, let us see now, guys, what will come in the output. All of you observe here. In the data, see what is there? The same data is there here, right? The same data, guys. Okay. All can observe here. Save, right? First success true their data. In the data, okay, first summary is there. Summary is there. Next, unofficial summary is there, right? And somewhere, which one not data? Where is the data, guys? Here. Okay. Yes, guys. That's a regional, right? Regional. Okay. Now all of you observe here. So first going to data. In the data, we go to the right. Okay, summary, right? Summary is there here only. First summary is there in the data summary. Second, unofficial summary. Then what is third one? Third one, right? Regional, right? Regional. Now I am going with regional only. That's why data regional. I am taking data regional. Okay, data. That's why, guys. Okay, data regional. This data regional available where is part of which one? Part of this data variable. This data variable means this API. That's why, guys, all of so understand, right? Data means this variable. The data for data which one? This one, this key name. In that one, 3 are there. One is summary, unofficial summary, then regional. I am going with regional. That's why I'm taking the regional. Okay, it's fine. Now this one over. Now the next one, what is the length? What is the length value? What is the length value? Let us see now, guys. Let us know the length. Can anyone guess now? What is the length value? What is the length value? Anyone guess now? The length value. What is the length, guys? What is the length? How many are there? 36, guys. 36. 36 are there. So these 36 number of states plus number of islands. Okay. Yes, guys. Now I am going to remove this one. I am going to delete these all comments, guys. Okay. Fine. Now, right? So here displayed all. Someone did not mute the mic. Please check once, all of you. Please check once, all of you. Okay. So guys, here, right? Someone making some sound. Mayuri Manik. Right. This is over, right? So in this one, guys, just to make some decoration, what do? I give some underline, guys. Okay. I am give some underline. State name underline. Okay. I am giving state name underline, guys. State name underline. Okay, state name underline. Yes, right. So state name underline coming. State name underline, right? Underline coming here. Okay, it's fine now. Now, so what is over here? What is over now? What is over location over, right? Next, I get the which one? I get one by one. That's all. I get all one by one. Now I get the confirmed cases. Next, I get the confirmed cases so far in. I all get one by one, guys. That's all. I all get one by one only. Next, I'm getting here print of Mayuri, Please check once your mic, please. I'm taking same guys now. I'll take same as it is, right? I'll take all same as it is. Now all of you, just what do I do? We change the which one now? Only the key name only. I am taking this key there. I am taking this key. That's all, right? Okay. So now what comes here? That number will come. Some number will come. Like suppose 5 lakhs or 10 lakhs number will come, right? Number will come. Let me run this one. Yes, guys. Okay. So see, right now, West Bengal, right? Number coming. What is this number? Confirmed cases, right? That's why what do we do? What do we do? I'll take one string here. I'll take one string, guys. I'll take one string. Which string? The same only paste here. That's all. Okay, that's all, guys. Okay. We'll take here some colon like this. Confirmed cases. Okay, like this. Yes, it's better, right? Okay, West Bengal confirmed cases. Uttar Pradesh confirmed cases like this. To get better, we'll take here one print, guys, so that we get an empty line, right? Between every state, we get the empty line. Okay. Yes, it's better now, right? Compared to previous, it's better. Now confirmed cases over, guys. Right. What next one? Right. What is the next one, guys? Here. I am taking here again. Print off, right? Print off. Again, what do we do? The same data, guys, right? Same one only. All of you understand this one, right? This data of data regional I. Okay, the same one I am taking here. Now, what is the next one? Confirmed cases, right? Foreign. We should take as it is, guys. We should take the key name as it is. Okay, that's all, right? And for this one, I'll take here. I can modify later, but first of all, I'm taking same as it is, guys. I am taking same as it is. That's all. Next, I take here one more print. One more print. All of you just mute the mic, guys. Mute the mic. So all of let me know once. All of let me know once. Is this clear? How I have taken data for data regional I. All of this is clear, right? This one clear. First one, data of data, then regional. Okay. I. All of clear. See, all of observe. I repeat one more time. Okay, see, this all, guys, this all data, this all data, this all data, this data have taken to where? Have taken to which one? Taken to which variable now? Data variable. All of you listen very clearly. This all API data, is all API data have taken to where? Have taken on variable. That variable called what do you call here? I have taken the which variable? Data variable. Now this data variable, what is there now? What is there? This complete JSON is there. Complete data is there. Okay, right. So now all of you observe here. All of you observe here. I given this name. What I given there on the browser on the program. This all data. What I given there? I given which one? I given like data equals like this. Okay. So now the name of this all which one? Data, right? Data, guys. Data. That name I given in the program. Okay. Data. In the data. Now what do we have? What do we have? Success one is there. Data second, right? Data is there. Now forget the success. Again, one key name data is there. In that one again, sub keys are there. Summary key, unofficial summary key, and regional key. Okay. In this data, again data is there. In that one, what is there? Regional is there. Regional is there. That's why I'm taking there. Which one? Data of again data. Again, I'm taking the which one here? I'm taking there regional like this, guys. We're taking there where? we are taking the regional like this. Means so this is the first this data. Next in that one, what is there? This data is there. In that one, I'm going to regional, right? Regional. In that one, I want LOC first. So I'm taking which one here? I am taking now LOC. First time, right? First over. Again, I want the second one. Again, what I'm doing here, first of all, taking this data. In this data, taking this data. Again, this one, taking this regional. In this regional, I'm taking the next one, confirmed cases in India. Next, I want the foreign, right? Foreign. Again, what do we do? Again, go to data. In the data, again, go to this data. Again, there, go to the regional. In that one, take the confirmed cases of foreign. That's all. I want the discharge. Total how many discharge till now? Then again, what do we do? Again, what do we do? All of observe now. Again, go to data. In the data, go to again this data. Again, then go to regional. From there, take the discharge. Next, in the Andaman till now, how many deaths are there? How many deaths are there? Now, all of you observe. Again, go to this data. In that one, go to this data again. Again, go to the regional. In that regional, take the deaths value like this, guys. Now, all of let me know. All of let me know. Is this clear now? All of you? All of let me know. You know this clear, everybody. Now we are Vaibhav. Now we are and Vaibhav. Let me know, please. If it is clear, guys, then I'll take the next value. I'll take the next value. If you all clear this one. Now yeah, please reply. Yes, very good. Right? Now, fine, guys. Now, okay. Yes, very good. Now, so what I have taken till now? I have taken the location. I have taken the okay. Which one now? I have taken the confirmed cases India. I have taken the confirmed cases foreign. Then what's the fourth one? What's the fourth one? Discharged. Just a copy from here. Discharge. Guys. That's all. Okay. Next one. I'll take here print off. Okay, tell me now. Data. What is this data? This is here, right? Variable name. Okay, this variable name. Data of that variable means which one? This is all JSON data. There. These are right. This is all data. In that one, again, what is the key name? I go here. Again, that data. So I'll take the data now. All of observe. I'm writing again now. Okay, I am taking the data here. In the data again, where I want to go? I want to go to regional, right? Regional. Take that regional. Take that regional. In that regional, so which one? First one. Why first one? Now what's the I value? I value 0. Index number wise, this is 0 index number. As per our range, right? 0 index number. There, what I want now in the I? In the I, what I want now? Now I want total confirmed, guys. Total confirmed. Total, right? Total confirmed I want. That's what I am taking here. That's all. Okay, now all over. The same one, guys, I take in the beginning also. Okay, yes, that's all. That also I'm taking here. You can modify later. First, I'm taking as it is, guys. Yes, that's right. Now everything is fine. Now everything is fine, right? So I have taken the location as a heading in that one, right? For death missed. Oh yes, guys, death missed. Right, no problem. We write now, right? We write now. Print. Tell me, guys, now. You tell me now. Data of that data means entire JSON data. In that, what's first variable name? Data is there. In the data, what is the key name again? What's key name again? Regional is there. In that regional, first I value, right? I write first I value. First I means first one, right? For first time, first one. In that I means Nicobar, right? There, what I want here, we want, I think deaths, right? Sorry guys, DHS, deaths, guys. That's all, right? Now, sorry, I take the same deaths here. Okay, DEHES, that's all. Let me run this one. Let me run this one. Yes, guys. Okay. Yes. Now the state-wise we have the data. State-wise we have the data. Now, guys, on this one, we can work with any project, guys. Now, okay. Now, what happened here? I got the data, right? I got the data. So, guys, this example recently, guys, one of our student got the one task. Got one task. What the task? So they asked our student, right? Create a page. All of observe now. Create a page. In that page, display all latest statistics of COVID-19 cases. I want all latest data of COVID-19 cases. Every day I want latest data only. Okay, recently, guys, one of our students asked an interview. Okay, yes, this is the way. Now you can take a table format, any format you take it, right? You can take any table format also, guys. Okay, so Django, guys, okay, be ready. We'll try to use the one task on which one COVID-19, guys. We'll try to implement one task on the COVID-19 now. Okay, and also, guys, if possible, we create a graph also. See, we are learning now that pandas, right? Pandas. Okay, and next what we do, start the Matlab, right? Matlab. Then create the graphs. Then what we do, we'll try to create a graph by using this latest data of COVID-19. Okay, we'll try it, guys. Compulsory try it. Okay, all right, very good. Now enough, right? We got the all data, guys. Here, we got all the data. We got it. We got all the data. The state name is the very left side, right? So now what can I take here to move the right side? Little bit right side. I can take here. Can take slash t. Right, slash t. Let us see what will happen if I take slash t. I think that name will move on tab space, guys. Yes, right. That name moved, guys, here. Right. Okay. Now it's fine. Now let's go to. Now you can check it, guys. Now in our studio, you can check it now. And all right, guys, one more thing. We'll try to find out one more API like district wise, guys. In each state, district wise. In each state, we'll try to find out one API district wise also. Let us try, right? You can see, guys, now you can see the number of cases, right? Indians, right? These people who written from the foreign and right, discharge cases and total confirmed cases, right? Number of deaths. Same, guys. Every state is same data is there. Okay. Yes, guys. This API we will use to make one beautiful example, guys. Okay. Yes. So all of you